How to create a space on Google Chat. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can create a space on Google Chat. Now, you can use Google Chat on your PC or on your mobile phone, that is using the Google Chat app. In this tutorial, I'll be making use of the PC. Now, so once you open your account on Google Chat, you see this is the home page. Welcome, Abioye, ready, set, chat. Let's jump right into things. So once you are on this page, as you can see by the left side of the screen, you see your chat and then you see spaces. So for you to create a new space, just go ahead and click on the plus icon in the spaces box. Just click on it. Once you click on it, a box should appear to you that is a box displaying create a space, browse spaces, find apps, etc. Just go ahead and click on create a space because that is what you want to do. Click on create a space. Once you do that, a box will pop up asking you to type in the space name and then description if you wish to describe it. Then you enter the name or the email address of the person or the group that you want to add into the space. So let's say maybe the space name is family. Yes, family. Then if you like, you can describe it. If you do not, just come here and then add the number of persons you want to add by typing in the person's email address. You can keep on typing, keep on adding people as much as you want. All right. Yeah, that's enough. Then once you're done, you come down to the lower part of the screen, that is of the box, and click on create. So that is how to create a space on Google Chat. Very simple and direct. Thanks for watching.